push you a little away, hoping you won't stay all night with me, my friend. And softly I turn the light on again. I hope you'll understand it's time to leave. And gently I offer you your shirt. I tell you it's pretty late, it ain't time to leave. I'm sorry if you misunderstood. I swear it was good, nothing wrong with you. It's just that if I can't have all I need for my soul, I prefer ending my precious night in this big dark red bed all alone. I'm so sorry, I see you're going away. I bet we won't meet again. Well, it's not that bad. Sorry if you thought I was rude, and I'm usually good. Well, maybe sometimes it's more true. It's just that if I can't have all I need for my soul, I would rather run my night alone than been with the wrong guy. So my friend, I'm so happy the pillow now is mine. I'm glad I'm still on time to make this night all